Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram network not working problem and no internet error on Instagram. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, back, and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen. And now long tap your Instagram app and tap on force stops or I button and scroll down, tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, now tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on again clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and now show allow all permission. First calendar allow back, second call logs allow back, third camera allow back, and contacts allow back, and another location microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, quotation, videos, allow all permission complete. And back to home screen, go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Now check update to Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, now open your Instagram app and see, easily solve your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.